Hi my YouTube family, this is Melody from Home Garden and Fashion. I thank you so much for being here today. Today we're going to have a wonderful time together. Hi, this is Mel. Today I'm going to share my very simple squash curry. So as you can see in the pan, there's little bit of asafoetida and cumin roasted. And to this, I'm going to put my squash and potatoes. So as you see, I have added my squash and potatoes, and now to this I'm going to add this. This is onion, ginger, garlic, roasted, salt, turmeric, garam masala powder, and a vegetable masala powder. I'm going to add this and add about a cup of water and cover it and let it cook for 15 minutes. Then I'll add some cilantro leaves and then show you the final outcome. So this is my green squash and potatoes. So as you see, I have added all the masalas, onion, ginger, garlic roasted, and to that garam masala powder, turmeric, salt, and a vegetable masala. That's it. And at the end, I'll add some cilantro. So as you can see, my squash potato curry is almost done. I have my simple roti cooking in the tawa. This is for lunch. My roti here getting cooked. Hi, thank you so much for being here today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share this video. Thank you. May God bless you all.